Hi friends, this is Anusha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, St. Josephs College of Arts and Science, Parliament. So today in this video we are going to see about the routing algorithm, that is the basic concept about the routing algorithm. So what is the main function of the network layer? As we already know, the main function of the network layer are routing, congestion control, internetworking. So these are the three major functions that a network layer can go for. So what is routing? It is a process of forwarding a packet in a network and a packet consists of data in the form of bits. That is in the network so that it reaches the intended next destination. Here it just showing the path to reach the correct destination. So what are the main goal of routing algorithm? The first one is correctness. It is nothing but here routing should be done correctly so that the packet reaches the proper destination. If routing is not properly done, we can't send the data to the proper destination. The next one is the simplicity. Routing should be done in a simple manner so that the overhead is as low as possible. Next is robustness. When you are designing a routing algorithm, you have to think about robustness. It is nothing but the ability to withstand the system over a years. That is, conditions and quality should be very strong here. The next one is the stability. So stability is nothing but whatever routing you are doing with the help of the routing algorithm, it has to be stable in possible circumstances. Next is fairness. Every node connected in the network should get a fair chance of transmitting their packets. And the last one is optimality. It is nothing but routing algorithm should be optimal in terms of throughput and minimizing the mean packet design. So these are the main goals of the routing. So here we are going to see the classification of the routing algorithm. The routing algorithm are classified into two types. One is adaptive routing algorithm and the other one is non-adaptive routing algorithm. Adaptive routing algorithm is of dynamic type and non-adaptive routing algorithm is of static type. So first we can see about the adaptive routing. So adaptive routing is of dynamic type. Dynamic means it changes the route dynamically. So here adaptive routing gathers information at runtime. It gathers information locally and from the adjacent routers or from all other routers. And adaptive routing also changes routes. Every delta t seconds it can changes its route, and when load changes on the router, the topology also changes. The next thing is non-adaptive routing. So as we already told, it is of static type. So we call it as static routing. Here the choice of route is computed in advance. So before designing the algorithm, you need to design the route offline and downloaded to the routers when the network is booted. So here these are the different types of routing algorithm. So here in the routing algorithm it was mainly classified into static routing algorithm and dynamic routing algorithm. So example for static routing algorithm are shortest path routing, flooding, and example for dynamic routing algorithm are distance vector routing, link state routing, and other routing algorithm types are hierarchical routing, broadcasting routing, multicasting routing, routing for mobile host, routing in ad hoc network, node lookup in peer-to-peer network. So these are the basic concept about the routing algorithm. Thank you.